Today's update shows massive progress across every corner of the stadium, from concrete works to steel structures rising into place. We're witnessing the compression ring growing, seating sections nearing completion, and heavy lifts shaping the future roof. Every area is moving forward at the same time, showing how fast this incredible transformation is taking shape. So let's jump straight into the latest developments inside the stadium. At the Gol Sur, concrete continues to be poured at the top of the third cantilever, pushing forward the super pillar connections. Some pillars are already completed with formwork removed, while others are still under reinforcement work in the central section. Core structures are also progressing, with welding ongoing on the steel framework, although full completion is still ahead. The third tier is now very close to completion, with only a small section still pending. Workers are installing the final prefabricated seats while cranes lift and position them at the top levels. Most joints in this area are already concreted, and crews are now focused on finishing the remaining connections. Overall, the structure is clearly moving into its final stage. A massive 44-ton section of the compression ring has been lifted into place, highlighting the scale of the stadium's roof system. The crane carefully positions the structure while workers guide it into alignment. This installation clearly shows how the stadium is steadily moving closer to its final architectural form. The compression ring continues to grow with around 9 sections already installed, and further lifts could take place soon. With 7 pillars completed out of 46 and radial beams already in place, the structure is steadily wrapping around the stadium, bringing it closer to completion. On the lateral side, massive earth filling continues in front of the La Masha ramp, where thousands of cubic meters of soil are being compacted layer by layer. Trucks keep delivering material while teams level and stabilize the ground, gradually bringing this area closer to its final height. Sandwich panel installation continues with precision as 3 workers carefully place each piece into position. A few gaps still remain, but progress is steady and clearly visible. Meanwhile, new radial beams and compression ring components arriving on site highlight the ongoing transformation of this section. The Gol Norte corner remains active with multiple platforms working on structural adjustments, while early sandwich panels are already in place. Although many beams are still unpainted and some areas remain open, steady progress continues as anchors and support points are being prepared for the next installation phases. Steel beam installation is actively ongoing in the Gol Norte corner, with cranes and workers carefully aligning each piece on elevated platforms. Multiple beams have already been installed, and the structure is steadily taking shape for future internal systems and supports. In the Tribuna sector, the future club store is taking shape, with the glass façade already fully installed and giving the area a modern, reflective look. Some side-sliding doors seem to be in place, although the main front doors are still pending installation. Overall, this section is progressing well and already looks quite impressive. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more stadium progress.